Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Malibu sunset, or what I like to call my Belize sunset. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is 3 ounces of orange juice. This shot glass only holds 2 ounces, that's why I'm doing the extra half. Now I'm going to add 3 ounces of pineapple juice, 2 ounces of my Malibu, and that's what I have in the background there. I messed it up when I was filming. I like to stir it first then add the ice, but in this case I added the ice and then I stirred it. And the very last thing I'm adding is the grenadine, and that will just make it pretty. Then I'm going to garnish it with a sweet little umbrella, a piece of pineapple, and a cherry. Look at this, look how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh, it's not only pretty but it tastes so good. I feel like I'm ready for a vacation now. I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.